In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the serpentine belt on this Cadillac Escalade. Let's get into it. Remove the engine cover, just grab underneath, lift it up, and slide it out. On the side, there's a hose right here. You just want to pull that out. Using a 8mm socket, we're going to loosen up the band clamp right here, over here. Before we take that off, underneath here, there's a retainer holding the hoses. Just use a trim tool. Just pop that off. You can slide the snorkel off. In the back, we're just going to lift up, slide it out, and it comes right out. We're going to take the belt off. Use a 15mm wrench, or you can use a serpentine belt tool. Just take the tension off the tensioner, slide the belt off. You can loosen up the tensioner, and just slide the belt off. Take the belt, we're going to go over the alternator pulley, down to the power steering pump. Then it's going to come up over the water pump. Then we'll go down to the crank pulley. And over to the tensioner. That should sit there pretty good. Then we're going to hold the belt because we have to get under the idler. Take your wrench or tensioner tool, take the tension off the tensioner, and just slide it under the idler pulley. And then double check all the pulleys, make sure it's going around. That looks good. I'll put the snorkel on. Get this lined up, go over the throttle body. Slide that on. Push that in place. Slide it onto the airbox. Oops. Snug these down. Attach the hose, make sure it's seated. Resecure the retainer under here. Put the cover on. Slide that in place and just push it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.